Hi, everyone. Welcome to Plan With Me Monday 2023 on Tuesday again. I just did not do any kind of crafting, or I didn't even come up into my office except to get things, or my studio, and except to get things off the printer yesterday. Actually, that might have been the day before. Anyway, here it is. I had already last week put this and this on, and those were from the Bow Bunny ephemera pack that I showed you last week. So if you didn't see that, go check. And then this week I mostly used stickers out of this Happy Memory Keeping Holidays book, 2 sheets primarily, and colorful boxes, the gold boxes, and a little thing here. And then the washi tapes I used are this gold sparkle, this sort of orange, burnt orange kind of color. I'm trying to use it up, and this gold. Um, I have so much washi, it's ridiculous, but I'm trying to use it. So that's one of the reasons I'll continue decorating my planner into next year. Okay, and then all these gold leaves were off 1 sheet out of the holidays, and the family, the thankful, and I think, oh, and the Thanksgiving and blessings were also out of those books. And then the gold boxes, like I said, were out of the colorful boxes, which I hardly ever use. And then I did bring in a blue Papermate, a green Papermate, because I was looking for colors that went with this. And then I found I had this scrapbook.com gold ink marker. Medium. It's not the best for writing. I used it though because I was using gold in here. So I used blue, green, and gold because I thought those colors were in this paper that I already had down. And the orange doesn't really go with it, but I just needed something to break it up. And this is a messy week. um, since I'm doing it today, menu plan. Yesterday, it was only me. My son went to visit his father for 2 days. So I had leftover pork roast, mashed potatoes, and Normandy veggies, which is zucchini, yellow squash, broccoli, cauliflower. I think that's it. Carrots, five veggies. And I still have more of that, except for no more of those veggies, but I have some in the freezer. Anyway, he is coming home tonight, but it'll probably be late, so I'm gonna have leftovers again. But I have I cooked the last few nights over the weekend, and so I still have some rice and beans left. I have some spaghetti and meatballs left, which I'll probably save for him in case he comes home early. And I have that pork roast and mashed potatoes left, which I could have a salad with or something. So when it's just me, I eat leftovers. I eat quick stuff typically. I don't, if it's just going to be for me, I don't tend to cook a big meal unless I'm making it for, to have for 3 or 4 meals or to put meals in the freezer. Then Wednesday, I have some peppers I didn't use up and a couple onions. I'll just use one of them probably. And I'll make chicken fajitas. I have some wraps in the refrigerator. So I think Wednesday night will be chicken fajita night. I had that on my menu for a week or two ago, 2 weeks ago, I guess. I never made it. Then Thursday, of course, is Thanksgiving here in the US, and I will be going to my daughter's. She's having, well, it was 15 people. I think it dropped to 14 people now, including us and her family and the other people that are coming, mostly on my son-in-law's side. Um, so anyway, that's going to be a hectic day. So actually, that morning, I'm in charge of making candied sweet potatoes or yams. And I told her I'd make candied ones and mashed ones in case somebody doesn't want the sweet kind. I don't know. A lot of people don't eat sweet potatoes. I love them, whether they're candied or not. Yeah. And then Friday, I think I'm just gonna have Chinese takeout. I've been hungry for Chinese again. Hopefully they're open the day after Thanksgiving. I know they're closed on Tuesdays, or I'd be tempted to call them on Tuesday and get stuff. But no, we'll have it Friday, and then we'll have leftovers of Chinese for Saturday. And then Sunday, Christopher goes back to work. He's off all this week, so he goes back to work on Monday. So I'll make a whole chicken stuffing because we wouldn't have stuffing except at my daughter's, and some veggies of some kind. I'm not sure which yet. And then we'll have leftovers of that for the following week. And I could even make chicken salad or something with it. So that's the plan for the menu. Not a big fancy menu for me because I'm not having Thanksgiving at my house this year. I think there was something else I was supposed to take, but I think it's just a condiment. I'll have to look. So yesterday I had my daughter need a few more chairs. I have two card table chairs, and then I have a folding chair with a cushioned front and back or back and seat that I used to take to outdoor craft fairs, and I haven't used it in a while. So I cleaned up those chairs and got them ready for my son to take because his dad's is closer to my daughter than here. And I got them ready, and he took them and dropped them off when he left. And I mentioned last time I'm having like a right-of-way dispute, sort of. It's really sad. The neighborhood here is being pitted against each other, trying. Certain people are trying to get people to take sides, and luckily some of the neighbors we're not involved in that at all. Let us out of it. Anyway, we're recruiting a couple of us that are impacted are recruiting an attorney, and I did hear from her yesterday and have a plan of action to start with anyway. And I ordered my one granddaughter's Christmas gift, something that she wants. And yeah, that's about it yesterday. I had kind of a lazy day. Oh, one thing I can note on here, 6 a.m. Was an online concert of a fella named Jungkook. He just released his very first solo album. He has been the youngest member and the main vocalist of BTS since 2013, but I found them in 2021 early. Anyway, he just released his album, and he had an in-person concert in Seoul, South Korea, but they televised it live for free. So yeah, I didn't sleep well the night before. I think because I was afraid I'd oversleep or something. Anyway, I did watch that online concert for about an hour and a half Monday morning. Yeah, I just had no energy because I didn't sleep well. I slept better Monday night. So here I am doing my planner. So yeah, we can actually scratch that off because I'm doing it now. Planner and video. Sorry, I'm a day late with this. So I have a to-do sticker. I'm going to do another video sharing the November paper pumpkin. I might make it as intended. I'm not sure. There's no dot there. I have to make jewelry. I started it. I have two pieces made and another one started. I haven't finished yet from the October Potomac Beads treasure kit. I did the unboxing video. I really need to finish that jewelry and get a video made. I've already cleaned the one bathroom downstairs, and I'll be getting laundry going soon because I can do that while I'm doing these other things. So that's today. Kind of chore, get my act together, finish things up day. And then Wednesday, after speaking with the attorney, I have to drop off copies of the deeds that I've already pulled so she can review them. She's going to work next week on it, and she loves this kind of stuff apparently, which is good because we need her workforce, right? Don't have any idea how much this is going to cost. She said she'd let us know when she gets back to us next week. Since I'll be out and about anyway, I might make a circle and go do some last minute grocery shopping if I need anything for Thanksgiving. I started a list separately. I am a list maker. I only have about 5 things on it so far, but none of them are needed for Thanksgiving. I am considering getting fresh sweet potatoes or yams, though, to make the mashed sweet potatoes with. and maybe even the candied ones and save the can for me. I like my family has always used a canned yams to make the candied sweet potatoes. I call them the yam sweet potatoes. And then brand we always get is Bruce's, but the last few years, I don't know, they got a little too mushy, and I don't like that. So I don't like them to be hard though either. But I'm really thinking I should go pick up some sweet potatoes or yams. They're probably on sale now, so I think I'll do that. And um, I will make them Thursday morning because Thanksgiving is not going to be the dinner. We have to be there at 4, and dinner's at 5. I'll just put 4 o'clock Amy's. Um, so I have all morning to make things and okay. And then I have to pick out what I'm going to wear for Thanksgiving. If I do all the laundry for my laundry today, then I'll have clean things to wear. I have some things, but I want to, look nice. Wednesday is my clean the litter day halfway through the week and prepare and get things out for Thanksgiving. I'll just set them out the night before, the things I'm going to use or make and the containers that I'll need and all that good stuff. I just like to do that. That way it's less stress the day of. And if I was doing Thanksgiving at my house, I'd be cooking, making the stuffing and all that stuff. Anyway, I just put stickers, Thanksgiving blessings. Um, just thankful to have family to go to. I kind of felt bad this year because I usually invite my brother. He lives alone, and but I talked to him yesterday, explained that I was not going to be cooking. He probably already figured that since I hadn't contacted him, and he ordered 2 Thanksgiving meals that he's picking up, I think on Wednesday. So at least he'll have food for Thanksgiving, and he has a son that I asked if he was coming over, and he said he didn't know, but he ordered 2 dinners just in case, and if not, then he can have the second one the next day or something. Anyway, I feel a little better, but he's still going to be pretty much alone, except for his dog will be with him. Friday, I sold some things on my live sale on Saturday the 18th for my jewelry channel, and I need to package them up. The person requested I not mail them till after Thanksgiving, so I told her I would package them up and mail them on Friday, so I need to package them up, um, go to USPS and mail them. And then I need to make jewelry with the November Potomac Beads treasure kit. And I don't know that I'll get a video done that day, but because I wrote continue with that and do the video on Saturday. So that's my Friday and Saturday. Now, after Thanksgiving is usually when I put my tree up sometime, but I'm not going to do it this this week. Um, Sunday, I just put a sticker grateful, some more leaves, clean litter again, dust and vacuum the downstairs, the main floor. I really need to mop too. Really need to mop and mop big time. And then it's trash and recycle week. We're on every other week for recycle, and this is going to be it, which is good because our recycle bin is overflowing right now. And if I well, even if I did, there's a few things that my son's going to need for his lunches for the following week, starting Monday. So I put grocery shop for a few things. I absolutely hate going to the grocery store on Sunday. It's good because the stores are well stocked usually on Sundays. Because if you ever go on Monday around here, the shelves are like, if you're looking for bread or some staples on Monday, forget it. I mean, they usually have some, but never the stuff we like. So anyway, that's that. And then I did look ahead to December because this next week ends November. Oh, that would have been my dad's birthday. Ugh. And then it starts December, and I thought, I better look ahead to December. So I just pulled the monthly. I didn't do much. I don't really decorate the months. I've said that before. But there's a couple things. I have a doctor's appointment on the 6th. Um, And then we have for collabs 10 on the 10th. Embellishments on that one's hosted by Metal Scrappin' Chick. Noon is embellishments on the 11th, which is my collab, and I am going to be doing that one again next year. Noon on the 12th is Joy of Blue. That's hosted by Sarah at Crafting and Relaxing. I don't know if she's continuing that next year. I have to find that out. Um, and I don't know what time I'll post this, but the collab hosted by Terry Jeanette at the Tapping Flamingo. Hashtag Be Creative. And this month it's winter. And that makes sense because here's the first day of winter is the 21st. And then the 15th, I have a lot of stuff that has to go up. I don't know what time for Pirate Pretty's Jewelry Challenge. And it just happens to be the third Friday. So at 10 a.m., Crack the Vault collab hosted by Jamie at Poet Spice channel. And noon is Passion for Purple. Now, some of these are on my jewelry channel and some are on this channel. I'm not going to write that all in here right now. The 18th, Monday, noon, the video has to be up for Jewelry Making Fun collab, which is my collab that I host, and I am continuing that collab on my Dahlia Designs channel next year. I put holiday concert. I found a little sticker for that. My granddaughter, youngest one, is, she's in band. I think she's playing clarinet this year and last year. And her school band and choir concert is on that day at 7 p.m. The following day is my son Christopher's birthday. I believe he's going to be 36. Let me think. 23. Yes, he will be 36. Ugh, he's my youngest. 36 years old. My daughter will be 48 next year. Wow. Okay, 21st is first day of winter. It says winter begins. And then 24th is Christmas Eve. And usually on Christmas, we go in the morning for Christmas breakfast, like a casserole breakfast. And I might take a mixed fruit bowl or something. They usually have fruit, the egg, sausage, bacon, whatever, casserole, and cinnamon rolls. So I might be in charge of the fruit bowl. I'm not sure. I just put a few little decorations, and then this is New Year's Eve on the 31st. 28th is Haley's birthday. I think she's going to be 11, but I didn't want to write it in there in case I'm wrong. She's either going to be 11 or 12. I think it's 11. And then I have a tentative thing that might be canceling out, so I put it in pencil, where my friend asked me if I wanted to go see a comedy show in her area. And I said yes, but now yesterday she thinks she might not want to go to it. So that's all for this video. I just have, started on thinking about December. All right, guys, that's it. I don't want to hold you up anymore. Thank you so much for being here. That one I didn't decorate. That one I did. That one I did. I don't really care for how I did this one, but it is what it is. All right. Talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace. Have a wonderful Thanksgiving if you're in the U.S. And if not, then have a wonderful week. Bye.